How to disable developer mode in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to turn it off when you no longer need it. First, click the Start button and open the Settings app. From there, click on System in the left sidebar. After that, scroll down and click on Advanced. From there, click on For Developers on the right side of the screen. At this point, you'll see the Developer Mode toggle at the top of the page. Turn that off to disable it. From here, a pop-up may appear asking you to confirm. Click Yes to proceed. Following this, Developer Mode will be turned off straight away, and any features that were unlocked by it, like unsigned PowerShell script execution, will revert back to their default restricted state. Finally, keep in mind that disabling Developer Mode doesn't uninstall any apps or remove anything you've already built or installed. It simply locks the system back down to its standard security settings. That's how you disable Developer Mode in Windows 11. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and tap the bell so you catch the next one. See you then.